Came when the sun shines.
Yeah, it's a nice day. We knew what we needed to do. We were very clear that we wanted to come here today and try and finish in the top two because it makes a big difference.
I was having a chat with HT in the com, and the moment he got to your 50, HT Ackerman said, Michael, it's a privilege for all of us and the whole of Nepal to see Faf du Plessis in the middle out there. What are your thoughts about this entire experience?
So you put the commentator's curse on me. Don't touch me.
Oh, really? It didn't really come to me then, but maybe yes.
No, it's been really good. Obviously my first time here, but really beautiful part of the world. The last 2 days managed to get out a little bit, so did a helicopter ride and to the Himalayas, and it's just so beautiful. So my first time, I'm very lucky to come and see all the beauty that Nepal has.
It certainly does, but the beauty was on display with the bat in your hand. Faf, you truly enjoyed every bit of it. And the previous night you took a superb catch. Today you get the runs. What was it like over there? You felt the surface got better to bat on in the second innings?
Oh, look, I think we've seen now that there is a bit of spin on these wickets, obviously, but it's just about being clear in what your game plan is going to be against certain bowlers. I thought what we did really well today as an opening partnership as we ebbed and flow really well against the different matchups. So not trying to hit every ball for 4 and 6, but really be clear on what is the good percentages to try and take down. And I think that's what made us get ahead of the game a little bit. We targeted just to make sure that we have a start. I think when you're chasing a score like that, it's really important to always get a start. I think if you lose wickets in the power play, it's tricky to chase down scores like that. But the tempo we had in the first 6 was really good.